This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut sugar coated. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 2 cups of raw, unsalted peanuts, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. These simple items are the foundation for a delicious, crunchy snack. Ensure your peanuts are fresh for the best flavor. Next, we will create the essential sugar syrup. Combine your 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a medium saucepan. Place it over medium heat, stirring continuously until the sugar fully dissolves. Once dissolved, bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat slightly to maintain a steady simmer. Now for the exciting part, coating the peanuts. Carefully add your 2 cups of raw peanuts to the simmering sugar syrup. Stir continuously with a wooden spoon. As the water evaporates, the sugar will begin to crystallize and adhere to the peanuts. Keep stirring until each peanut is beautifully and evenly coated with a white, sugary layer. Once coated, immediately spread the hot peanuts in a single layer onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Allow them to cool completely at room temperature. As they cool, the sugar coating will harden, becoming wonderfully crisp. Once fully cooled, gently separate any peanuts that have clumped together. You've now created delicious, sugar-coated peanuts. Remember to check the description for links to smart speaker deals and other great offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.